Blueacorn PPP. We're going to talk about Chime. We're going to talk about Chase, Blue Acorns, Womply, SBA, all that good stuff, right? My name is QUiNTiN Banks. If you are new to the channel, make sure you guys like and subscribe. That way you guys are in tune with the latest and greatest information. As I talked about in the last video, allergies are kicking me in the face right now. So you guys hear me like stopping or huffing and puffing, that's just these allergies. Oh my goodness, this is terrible. But yeah, I'm going to continue to give you guys these updates no matter what the situation is, guys. If I'm sick, under the weather, under a bus, whatever, I want to continue to do my job. But yeah, it's just allergies. Guys know it's like allergy season, right? And I just cut my grass, so it's not good for me right now. But yeah, I got some updates because a lot of you guys were asking me about these updates with Blue Acorns and also with Chime. You guys don't know Chime, watch my content. They actually sometimes comment as well. So feel free to drop your comments below. Let me know exactly what Chime can do. Let them know, because like I said, Chime watching my content as well. They always ask me to ask you guys, you know, what's wrong, or like what's your process anytime during Chime. Now, if you guys were thinking about downloading Chime, feel free to download Chime using my link. You will actually receive $75 just for using the application. You know, it's very, very simple. Very, very easy to download. You got to link up your direct deposit. You get $75. This is a win-win situation. Win-win situation. You can't lose, right? I actually got a playlist on my channel as well about Blue Acorn. So if you guys want to watch that, feel free to go to my channel. You'll see a playlist that says Blue Acorns. But yeah, let's get right into this, because this is what you guys are here for. Once again, my name is QUiNTiN Banks, giving you guys the latest and greatest information. And this is a member of my channel. Excuse me. They began to say Blue Acorn PPP sign April 8th, and Chime rejected. Is anyone else getting absolutely nothing from Blue Acorn? I keep submitting tickets, but no one will respond. My friend who owns a business as well has had them email her 3 times to update her banking info, and hers was rejected after mine was. On the ComWeb, it shows fully dispersed, like I am lost. I called the prepaid card people. They said I didn't have an account. Someone please give me some insight. Now, it does sound like this is part of the glitch that was going on. I could be wrong, you know, but there was a glitch going on where you had to basically keep updating information. Keep updating banking information, keep updating. It was a lot of information people had to keep updating, right? But a long story short, people had to keep updating banking information. Now, some people called it a glitch. Some people said it wasn't a glitch. But I would just advise you guys, if you do it more than obviously 3 times, something's either wrong or right. You know what I mean? Meaning, like, it could be the glitch, or you really must have updated your banking information with the wrong information. But like I said, if you got a friend who's went through and yours didn't, and you guys helped each other, whatever, okay, then it could be the glitch. So you guys kind of think outside the box, especially when it comes to seeing whether it was a glitch or not. Now let's read some of these comments, because that's one of the main reasons too that can help you guys as well, is reading these comments. They begin to say, don't oversend trouble tickets. They need 3 days to get back to you. If you keep sending new tickets, you're clogging up the system and peeing them off. The 5 people who work in the department and make them not want to deal with you. Remember, these are small companies with less than 50 people, if that. I guess that is some good insight. You know, I never really thought about that. There being a small business, small company. with limited people checking these emails. Now that could be possibly true, but just know if you've submitted one document or one email, the only thing you can do is be patient. It's not going to go through any faster because, like you said, it's all queues, right? So if you got your first email, that's going to be the fastest email, because if you keep sending it, it's just going to get later and later. Now, that could be true. You can be sending 10 emails, right? By the time they get to yours, this person could be mad, upset, whatever, and like, I'm not going to respond. I don't know, but I would tell you guys, you really just got to be patient with it, especially if you got low numbers. If you got a low number, if you got emails already stating that you're going to receive a PPP loan, just be patient, just like everybody else. I know it's easier said than done when you're running a business, and your business is striving off of this. So I definitely understand it 110%. Now, now other people are asking me, should they continue to upload banking information? Should they, what should they do? Now, I would say after the 10th time, you gotta think, like, after the 10th time, it could just be the glitch. You're doing this over 10 times. Yeah, that sounds like a glitch. But like I said, try to contact somebody in the process. Somebody that you're working with. So if you're working through Blueacorns, try to contact Blueacorns. Try to figure out exactly what's going on, because everybody is different, guys. Everybody is different. I got a playlist about Blueacorns on my channel as well. If anybody wants to check that out, feel free to check that out as well. Let's get into some more comments. Somebody said, I've been waiting since 5/12. Somebody said I signed for 8, and on 6/12, Blueacorn asked me to UBI, and I said I was being funded. Now Blueacorn is saying my application was rejected with no explanation. Now that would be messed up if that was the case. Once again, I would still try my best. Even to you guys, try your best to actually figure out what's going on. If you got to outsource to Blueacorns, call Blueacorns. Excuse me. Get a ticket. Do something. Try to figure this out, because at the end of the day, it's your money and you need it now. You know what I mean? So do what you can. Contact Blueacorns. Contact these companies and 110% figure out what's going on. Somebody else began to say, Blueacorn customer service is dreadful. My understand is that Chime is rejecting the money because of the high volume of fraud associated with the Chime accounts. Your best bet is to have the funds routed to another account. Now that could be some good advice as well. That's just all dependent on if you guys want to, number one, take the time to do that. Number two, redo that whole process over again. Excuse me. So if you guys want to do that, feel free to do that. We talked about cash cards on my channel as well. So dash card. So if you guys got the option for dash card, feel free to do that as well. I got a few videos on my channel talking about that as well. So yeah, there's a few options. A lot of people say, Chime's not doing this, Chime's not doing that. Best thing to do is really, if that's how you really feel, change your funding and make sure it's on a different bank. Make sure it's on a different bank, guys. Now, feel free to drop any questions or concerns below. As I said, I got a playlist of all of these different financial institutions on my channel. So if you go over to my channel, click playlist, and that's also with the greatest and latest information. Hope you guys enjoy your day, your morning, your night. Stay loyal, stay blessed, stay true, stay you. Chime Ppp, Womply, Harvest, Blueacorn. This is the latest and greatest information, and this is the latest and greatest update. Once again, My name is Quentin Banks. I hope everybody's enjoying their day, their summer, their morning, their night. Allergies is kicking me right now. It's kicking me in the face right now. But we're gonna get through it. We're gonna get through it. You know, like I said, these allergies are kicking me, but we're gonna get through it. Let me know in the comment section exactly where you guys stand when it comes to all of this. You know, feel free to drop your comments below. I'm going to try my best to help you guys, especially when it comes down to you know, getting funding and stuff like that. A lot of people have been questioning funds. A lot of people have been asking me what's their next step. So feel free to drop your comments below. Let me know exactly where you guys stand. If you guys have Harvest, it does look like Harvest and Chime, they are working together and getting everybody funded. A lot of people were questioning Chime and questioning exactly how long it takes, when do they fund, are they still funding? So hopefully we get those answers here shortly. But before we start, I do want to let you guys know I am still hosting a giveaway at the end of this month. If you guys want to be entered, all you guys got to do is make sure you like and subscribe. That is the easiest way to actually be entered in the giveaway. You know, and I actually got playlists on my channel as well, because I will be putting out future details as far as what to do to actually be entered into the giveaway. Now, I will be doing this all on my channel as well. I got playlists. We talk about Chime, stimulus checks, all that good stuff, you know, right on my channel. So if you guys got questions, as I always say, feel free to drop a comment or then go to my channel and check out that playlist as well. So let's get right to this. This is actually a comment from a member of my channel. So if you guys actually want to be a member, I think you guys actually got to go onto a desktop, and you'll see like an option that says join. So once you'll be able to join, you get extra perks, extra benefits and stuff like that, especially when it comes down to the channel. So yeah, let's get right to this. This is strictly from Womply. Someone began to say, I got my Harvest redeposit in my Chime. Last week they rejected it because it said PPP second operating. I had opened a new account and updated the info, but 8 days later they resent as SHBF. Now to get the SBA, to get my TANSA on the way. So it does look like, when it come down to it, it does look like people are getting funded, and this was a couple days ago. So people are getting funded. Hopefully tonight people are getting funded. I know, as we talked about in my last video, when it came down to Harvest, people were actually stating that they got funded. You know what I mean? Then somebody actually gave me a screenshot of their funds, and it looks like that's what it came up as, HSBF PPP Chime. So it does look like Chime is still doing those giveaways, not giveaways, it's still funding. Because a lot of people were saying, well, Chime doesn't fund, Chime stopped funding. It really does look like they're doing those funds. And I do want to let you guys know as well, when it comes down to those funds, everybody is different. Everybody is, every business is different when it comes down to that. But it does look like you will get funded, you know, when it comes down to it, you know what I mean? So with that being said, as I always say, feel free to drop your comments and concerns below. Let me know in the comment section where you guys stand. And yeah, let's get into some of these, read some of these comments. Yeah, excuse me, somebody said McDonald's coffee, because it did look like it said something about McDonald's on there. So it says McDonald's coffee. They said, no, the app had a coupon for one of those new chicken sandwiches, free with $1 minimum purchase, a Sprite, and a piece of cheese on the sandwich. Wow. Speaking of that, has anybody had their chicken sandwich? I'm not too sure exactly how I would feel about getting a chicken sandwich from McDonald's. So at the end of the day, guys, let me know in the comment section about that. You know, have you guys had their chicken sandwich? Of course, I've tried Chick-fil-A's, KFC's, you know, places like that. So I just need to know exactly. Let me know. Have you tried their chicken sandwich? You know, and to be honest, like I always say, man, I'm down to try things new, but when chicken sandwich from McDonald's, I don't know about that. Somebody said, sounds like my kids. Oh, mom got money. LOL. I just worked 56 days in a row on a broken knee. Jeez. I'm getting in bed, taking the weekend off, and not doing a dang thing, and sleeping for more than 2 to 3 hours at a time. Sounds good. Somebody said, good. Congratulations. So Chime now accept PPP again, with harvest indicating them. So that does look like that is the case, guys. Does it like that is the case. Harvests have been on the air, approved lenders through Womply, but my deposit and all others batched that day had it came through as PPP second operating, so got kicked back. Usually comes through as harvest or HSBF. So hopefully Chime can give us an explanation, better a better explanation when it comes down to this, because of course Chime watches my videos, they watch my content. So hopefully in the comment section, if you guys have Chime, as I always say, feel free to drop them the comments below. It does look like that they drop they get funds in batches. So like let's say they may fund 1,000 people at a time, depending on certain criteria. You know what I mean? I don't know that criteria, but it does look like they get they fund people on certain criteria. Somebody else began to say, okay, I have Chime and I'm on lender funding since Thursday after the update banking info. Now, if you were asked to do this banking update, just know that it could be glitches. It could not be. That's really up to you to figure out, because a lot of people were stating there were glitches. A lot of people were stating it wasn't. So that's very, very tough, when it comes down to that. But at the end of the day, I do want to continue to spread this positivity, especially people that are still waiting on their PPP SBA loans. Once again, my name is QUiNTiN Banks. At any time, feel free to drop those comments and concerns below. Let us know where you stand.